In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply make Canva templates and turn them into a money-making machine. Even when you are sleeping, these templates can still sell on autopilot and they can still make you money. Yes, if you are wondering what type of templates that I can create, you can go ahead and start creating from things like ebook templates. You can create things like thank you cards. So it depends on you what exactly you want to go with to create. So you can create things from ebooks, as I have said, from things like resumes, thank you cards, business cards, and much more. So it will depend on you. What do you want exactly sell? And the good thing is that you are supposed to make your research first and know what other people are selling. For example, you can use Etsy for research. If you want to sell on Etsy, I would advise you make your research so that you create a product that is not oversaturated but it's in demand, a product that has low competition but people are really searching for this product. In that way, it's going to help you to create a product that is going to help people solve a problem, and also you will get sales because the product you are creating, it has low competition but high in demand. So you can use tools like It's Hunt, Everbee, and more to make your research. But in this example, we are going to create something simple, which is a thank you card. But as I've told you, you can create things like invoices, resumes, and so much more. But in this example, we are going to go with something which is about a thank you card. So as you can see here, there are so many types of thank you cards that you can create. Maybe it's a birthday thank you card. Maybe it's a thank you card for your friend, for your family member. So you can go ahead and search what really people are interested in, what thank you cards are really working for people. And the tool that we are going to use to design this is Canva. And don't worry, if you don't want to sell on Etsy, there are also other platforms that you can sell your template on. So this, I just wanted to show you that other people are doing it, and you can also go ahead and do it and create these thank you cards, even using free tools like Canva. So we are going to go to Canva right now, and we are going to start creating our thank you card. Yes, we are going to start creating our thank you card. So if you don't know what Canva is a designing tool which can help you to design a lot of things that you can sell in your digital product shop or where you are selling them. So we are going to come here and click on Canva. So when we click here on Canva, it's going to bring us to Canva dashboard. I already have an account with Canva, but if you don't have an account, what you do, you take your email address, go ahead, use your password and sign up for Canva. Canva is free if you want to stay on the paid version, but there are some features that you will not be able to access if you are on a free version. So what you can do, you can upgrade to a paid version if you want, but if you don't want, that's still okay. Yes, that's still okay. So in this example, as you can see here, Canva will ask you what you want to design. So if you want, you can start from scratch, but also in Canva, they have an advantage where they have already made for you templates that you can design with, add in your own touch, or you can start from scratch and create everything by yourself. For example, if we come here and click on templates, I want to show you this, that they already have already made templates. So these are different types of templates that you can make, like gratitude channels, digital planners. So as I already told you, but in this example, we are going with something about a thank you card. Yes, but if you want to create something else, or if you have done your research and you want to go with any of these templates, like a budget planner or anything else, then that will be also good. So you can come here and click on any of them here on Canva. Even if you're a beginner and you don't know how to design them, you can click here on any one of them and see how they designed it. So you can go ahead and design your own, or you can maximize the one which is already there, or you can go ahead and start from scratch. So what we are going to do, we want to design we want to design something that is about a thank you card, and that's what we are going to go ahead and design right now. So we are going to type in Canva something which is about a thank you card, and we'll go ahead and design that. So we'll go ahead and design that. So we are going to come here and type in thank you card. You type in here in your, and you will search. So Canva will bring you different types of thank you cards that you can go ahead and see. So as you can see, these are different thank you cards that other people have created. But if you want to start from scratch, we are going to click here where it says create blank card. So we are going to click on this one. Yes, the blank card. Or if you want, you can just go ahead, put in the measurements of your thank you card, and you go ahead and start designing. But since already Canva has given us an option of a blank card, then we are just going to go ahead, design it, and put in our elements that we want. So this is the empty page that we have here. We are going to go ahead on this side of Canva, and we are going to click on where it says elements. So as you can see, these are the elements that we can use in our thank you card. Yes, so if you want, you can add in some shapes. If you want, you can just leave it like that. So we are going to go ahead and type in, for example, flowers. So we'll come here and type in flowers. So here we are going to get a lot of flowers so that we can choose. So these are different flowers that we can choose from. So we are going to click here where it says see all. So we are going to take this flower. It looks nice, yes. Or you can go on Etsy and see what other people are creating. So we'll make this flower to become smaller, and we'll put it in the corner. And as I told you, this doesn't take so long. Yes, we can put it in the corner there. Then go ahead and duplicate this and put this one in the other corner. You take your time and you design something that is elegant and beautiful, and even you also feel like you want to buy it. Don't just create something that is not good and it's not going to serve value. Remember, I want to serve value to a person, and we want to help them. Oh, I'll go with this flower and delete the first one that I used. This one looks better and good, so I'll just delete these first ones, delete all of them like this. Then I'll stick with this one that I have just created. So I'll just enlarge it like this so that it can fit there on my page. Put it a little bit down like that. Then I'll make it smaller like that. So if I want, I can go ahead and duplicate this and also put it up, and you can go ahead and turn this so that it can be facing itself like this. So simple, just like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in my text which says thank you. So I'll put in here something which says thank you. I'll go ahead and type that. I'll go ahead and type in the word thank you. So after typing in the word thank you, if I want to change my font, I'll just come here and change my font. I'll just click on that. You can change your font to something like that. Yes, if you can change it to something like that. So you take your time and find the font that you want. For example, these are the handwriting ones that you can go with. So I'll go with something like that. And as you can see, our template is ready. So what is left for you is to download it. So if you want to sell it on Etsy, you go ahead and create create a template link. But in this case, I just want to upload my own on Grammarly. So I'll just go ahead and download this as a PDF because I want to sell it on Grammarly. So I'll just click here where it says PDF print. So I'll go ahead and download that. So after downloading that, my product will be ready down here. So when it's ready here, I'll just go ahead, go to Grammarly, and here where it says start selling, when you click here, you sign up your account, and then you go ahead to your dashboard here and you upload your product. There you go, you already have a cover template that you can start selling. It doesn't matter if you're selling it on Etsy or Grammarly, you will still get sales. On Grammarly, you're supposed to drive your traffic, but Etsy, they have an already inbuilt in traffic. That's the good thing about it. But the other thing, you have to pay fees for every product that you make. But on Grammar Road, you don't pay anything. Yes, you start from zero to your $1 as it's written on their website. Then you just upload your product. You come here on dashboard, and when you click on dashboard, it's going to take you where you can create. So here you can see product. Then you click here where it says product. You go ahead and click here add new product. Then you go ahead and add your new product, and your product will be ready to sell. So don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Yes. If you want to use this template, I'm going to put it in the description, so you can go ahead in Canva and edit it and add it anything that you want, so that you can go ahead and sell it. But as I've shown you, it's easy to create. It's not difficult. So see you in the next video.